Okay, I've got another ancient megalithic mystery site that is going to hurt your brain. Are you ready? Okay, so imagine you're hiking across a remote mountainous region of Russia, and you look down and you see this in the mountain. Because that is precisely what happened to this gentleman, Arthur Zumikov, who, well, he was looking for it. He's like a caving expert, and he heard of this local legend of an underground cave system in the mountains, in the remote Russian mountains, and he went and he found it. Not on his own, he found it with a team, and they went down and they explored, and wait till you see inside. My claustrophobia couldn't. But these guys did. They went down and they checked it out, and they were stunned to find that there was hard right angles and very clear, like, megalithic stonework inside this deep, over 100 feet, 100 meter drop. Now, when I said Russia, I was picturing like northern Arctic Russia, but Russia's pretty huge, and it's actually here. This is the Caucasus mountain range, which connects Russia to Georgia, and it's right next to Turkey and the Levant. So incredible ancient pie of land where there is in fact lots of underground structures. So it's not that weird that this has been found. It's also very beautiful. I get it. The footage that the guys got is quite pants. It's in the dark. It's all shaky camera work. You're like, really? This could be natural. You're just going down like a natural fissure, right? But no, when you stop and actually look at some of the markings, like the tomb, there is definitely megalithic stonework down there. And when you look at they mapped it out from the inside. When you look at it from the outside, there is no way that this is a natural structure. You drop down into this little like weird cave thing, and then another massive drop, another little like box area, another massive drop into a huge 36-meter chamber that then continues off somewhere else. Like this, nature doesn't just cut like massive 36-meter squares inside mountains out. Like, where did the stone go? It's gone. It's been extracted. Also, they noted that there was like a clear airflow. Even though they were 100 meters into the mountain, like down these little shafts, they could feel fresh air. So there was some sort of ventilation system happening. They could, in the mountain. It seemed functional. I spy some very cut block stuff going on here. Again, here we've got like right angles, and do you know what I mean? I vote someone cut that. Let's look at this one again, just for a giggle. I can't. My literal claustrophobia. I couldn't descend. Well, it's clearly not for like humans to kind of get in and out of easily. So the team were like thinking, what could it be? Maybe it is some sort of water filter system or an air filter system for if there was an underground city that was further down. Maybe this whole weird shape thing was how they like got air into the underground. Other ideas, but it was like a middle of an ancient pyramid. I don't think that one really checks because it's a very weird. I don't think that quite pans out. But what do you think? He was still skeptical that there was any like rock cutting going on. Outside, very near the site, there is very clearly like a test cutting rock piece here that's been cut out of some sort of rock nearby. So 100% somebody did this, but we don't know when, we don't know why. And here is like a virtual CAD map of the inside. It's very slim, but very wide, this sort of chamber inside. And for size reference, that's a space rocket. So yeah, pretty huge. What do we think? Very exciting. I think I'm going to have to make a part 2 or this video will be too long, because unbelievably, the Arthur and his team, they've died. All of them, they've died since they discovered this. And also there's like a whole history of the Nazis being on this mountain searching for this site. So I'll get into that in like the next video.